Hello people, so this is my sixth video of the day, and people, see right now, even as I'm shooting, I realize that it's the same location. I'm not like dressed in my party wear, and everything seems to be like I could do it better and all of that. But the important thing is to just take that step, right? I mean, life can pass you by, yeah, if you don't take those baby steps towards your goal. So 30-second motivation this is. So yeah, 1 minute motivation. So people, no matter what, you may not look like Aishwarya Rai, which is a good thing really, because beauty is in individuality also. So but just need to take those baby steps towards your goal, because otherwise you just get left behind, yeah, in the race of life. So yeah, too much gyan in one video. Anyway, but all the same, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.